If you want to know how to change the name of a project in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 simple ways to rename your design so you can keep everything organized and easy to find. Whether you're already inside the editor or you're just on your dashboard, this takes only a few seconds. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's start with the fastest method, which is renaming directly in the editor. If your project is already open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the current project name there, and Tinkercad often gives designs random names like Scrappy Glarp or something similar. Just click directly on that name. Once you click it, the text becomes editable, and you can type in a new name that actually describes your project. For example, you might rename it to something like Keychain Design, Gear Prototype, or Robot Arm Test. After typing your new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That's it. Your project is now renamed without needing to leave the editor. Now let's go over the second method, which is useful if you want to rename a project from your dashboard without opening the design first. Start by going to your Tinkercad dashboard. If you're inside a design, you can get there by clicking the Tinkercad logo in the top left corner. On the dashboard, find the project thumbnail you want to rename. In the top right corner of that thumbnail, you'll see a small gear icon, which opens the project options. Click the gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Properties. This will open a settings window for that project. Look for the name field and type in your new project title there. Make sure it's clear and easy to recognize, especially if you have a lot of saved designs. When you're finished, click Save Changes at the bottom to confirm everything. That's really all there is to it. If you're actively designing, the in-editor method is the quickest way to rename your Tinkercad project. If you're organizing older files or browsing your dashboard, the Properties menu gives you another easy option. Using descriptive names can save you a lot of time later, especially when you have multiple projects and need to find the right one fast. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.